Now we're gonna jump around real quick. This next one's the first proper, like I had some like minor hits when I was in my early 20s. And it's weird. And if you're not in the music industry, you're like, what's that mean? What's a minor hit? That's like one where it's like, if you're a real fan of the artist, you're like, oh yeah, I love that song. But then it's like, if someone's like, what songs have you written? I'm not gonna mention that song. Just be like, yeah, oh cool, yeah, sure, he's making that up. But the first one that I wrote before Apologize came out. I had a song come out in the UK on an artist, and I literally was sleeping on it. I didn't think it was gonna do anything. I didn't believe what anybody said, and it blew up. And this song, it's important to me because this is the moment when I handed this song in. I got told by the head of the label, I got told by the A&R person, this isn't a hit. It's okay. You need to go back and write another song. Like, it's actually not even gonna be on this album because I wrote it for somebody else. They made me feel like an inch tall, and I thought that it was the best thing I'd ever written. And they literally just destroyed me. And then it came out 4 months later and went #1 in 37 countries. So that was the day, and from that day till now, and from ever, with my life, when I don't give a damn what anybody thinks. I do not care. It's like a Teflon for opinions right here. And anyway, I want to play you a song that some really, really highly paid individuals and some really big record labels think is a trash record. Here it is. Here's my trash. It goes like this. I don't care what they say, I'm in love with you. They try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth. My heart's crippled by the vein that I keep on closing. You cut me open and I